Hi guys, for today's video we're going to be talking all about foundation. So I have 3 things that I'm going to be using today. I'm going to be showing you how to pick the right foundation shade for your skin tone, and then I will show you how to apply the foundation and what are some really good tools to use for applying foundation. So let's jump in. When you're choosing a foundation, especially like at a store or something, you want to kind of either go close to like a window that's in the store, or say if you're at home, just go to like a window and kind of do some swatches of different foundation shades. Okay, so I have the 2 palettes and the other one. I'm going to start with, I guess, this shade just to show you guys the different colors. This one here, this is the J.cat Masterclass Face Color Palette. I'm just going to take like a concealer brush like this one, and I'm going to just, first I'm going to kind of turn my face towards the window a little bit, and I'm just going to start putting some lines on my cheekbone, I guess. So you can see this one is a little bit too dark. So that one is a little bit too dark. Let's go to a different color. I'm going to go back to this palette. I'm going to try, let's see, this one to see if this shade is a good match. I think it might be a little bit too dark though. That one is actually perfect. So when it matches, you have to have it like, for a foundation to match, it has to kind of like disappear into your skin. So this one is a perfect match. This one is a darker shade. So I would go with the shade that kind of disappears into my skin. Show you guys how to apply the foundation and what tools to use. I'm going to use this foundation. This is the Covergirl Olay Simply Ageless Foundation, and this is in the color Creamy Natural. First, I'm going to show you the tools that I like to use to apply some of this foundation. So the first thing that sometimes I use, sometimes if I'm like traveling, I would use it. I would use the little puff that it comes with. I'm not going to use it for this video. And then we have a beauty blender. And then we have 2 brushes. Now, this brush is from Blend Smart. This brush can spin if you just turn on the buttons. I really like this brush just to kind of smooth everything out, but I'm not going to use that. So I think what I want to do is I want to do one side the sponge and actually one side a brush. So this brush is from Anisa Beauty. This is the Pinnacle foundation brush. And one side, and I think I'm going to do this side the brush and then this side the sponge. So let's start. Okay, so what I want to start to do is I'm just going, drop it. I'm just going to dip the sponge in and start kind of working into the skin. And I'll do like circular motions. With this applicator, I like to just leave it like that. And I'll show on this side what I like to do right after I apply it. So this side is good. And with this foundation, you don't have to set it because I think it is a creamed powder. Okay, so now we're going to go to the right side of the face with using a brush. So I'm going to take the brush and I'm just going to dip it in and just start applying it. Oh, I haven't used this brush with this foundation yet, and I actually really like it. Wow. Okay, so when it comes to applying foundation with a brush, I actually take my beauty blender. This is not a damp beauty blender. I just want to kind of just press this into the skin. Normally I would dampen it, but I'm not going to do that right now. I'm just going to blend the foundation in. Okay, so that was it for today's video. Tomorrow will be actually still week 3. Tomorrow we will be talking all about concealers. Bye!